Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are actually doing just the eyes today. On Instagram, I had a few requests that I go ahead and upload this tutorial because I wasn't going to do it actually. But we're going to go ahead and just start the eyes. So the first thing you want to do is apply a creamy base to your eyelids. I'm using my concealer by e.l.f. This is the Camouflage concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. You can use any concealer that you have available. And we're just applying this to our eyes so that our eyeshadows has something to stick to. Then next, just to make sure, you guys are always asking, how do you blend? I have a hard time blending. These are the tricks, okay? First, you need to apply that transition color that you saw me apply in the crease from this palette. It's just a skin complexion color. You can use your face powder. You can use any eyeshadow that you have that's similar to your skin complexion. Just apply something that's light and airy in your crease. And you just applying that in a circular motion like I'm doing right now. Circular motions, fluffy brush. Then next you're going to go in with your lid color. Now you can use any color on your lids. I just wanted to go with this purple smoky eyeshadow color because I had a lip color that I wanted to wear today. So I'm going with this purple color. And I'm using this vintage rose palette from Model's Own, but you can use any eyeshadow palette. You do not necessarily have to have what I'm using in this video today. And I'm just packing that color on. Pack. Pressing it on. I'm not blending or swiping or anything. I'm just pressing that right onto the lid. And this is why the creamy concealer is important, so that that fallout is not falling all onto your face. Your foundation is sticking to the lid. All right, so here's another tip for blending. So now that I applied that lid color, you can see on my other eye where there's a harsh line. That doesn't look good. We don't like that. So we're going to go back in with our blending brush. You don't have to add any more product. And just going to go over that line and just blend really softly. Now you can see the difference. You can see one is soft and smoky and blended. And we're going to work on this other eye. All right, so now with the smoky look, this is how it gets smoky. Okay, you want to go in with your waterline. So go in your waterline with a black pencil. I always use a Feline Kohl pencil. You can use one by MAC or e.l.f. Those are the two brands that I really love. Their pencils, they're very smooth and soft. Then you're going to go in with a small detail brush with that same purple shade that we use on the lid. You're going to go in and just run over that line. Now, this is going to smoke out that pencil, but also make it look like a smoky, darker purple underneath the lash line. So now for my brow bone color, I love to do this. Whenever I'm doing like a matte smoky look, I like to put highlights in certain areas. So like on my brow bone, I like to put a little highlight on my nose, my cupid's bow, my cheekbones. Just certain areas of the face you want to, have like some type of glow to it. So I'm applying a color out of the same palette to my brow bone, and I'm blending that out with my finger. Simply because you don't want it to be harsh, you just want it to be a subtle, soft glow. Okay, so for lashes, I'm wearing my lashes from the SooAe collection. For a smoky look, you don't want anything, that's going to take away from the actual eye look. So I decided to use these lashes. They're called the Pretty Minx from the SooAe collection. They're perfect for this look because they're nice, wispy, soft, fluffy, and they complement this look very well. And initially, I wanted to go in with the Flirty Minx, but Flirty Minx are more of like a 25 millimeter lash. They're heavier lash, and I wanted something softer. So Pretty Minx are perfect for a smoky eye or anyone that just don't like wearing those heavier lashes. Pretty Minx are perfect for you. Okay, so now we're going to go in and make sure that we set everything. You can see my face is done. I skipped that part. Face is done, eyes are done. The lipstick that I'm wearing is called Sweetie from the Stacey collection. It is the perfect mauve color. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you prefer for us to just dive right into the tutorial and skip the face routine. We can throw the face routine, you know, from time to time. But this was quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. Stay flawless, boo.